my people. Hey, this is there's a little instructional video to kind of take you through this little project that we're starting, our Energy Expo. So if we open this up, we're going to see some instructions in here. We're also going to see several documents. Basically, what we are doing is we are going to be creating an Energy Expo in which you get to choose a form of alternative energy and then do some research on it and present your findings to the class. So let's look at what that entails. If we open up our Google Doc in here, this is the document that one of the documents that you'll actually turn in. And the first thing you need to do, especially for my remote friends, is decide which one of these you're going to become the expert in. So there's wind, solar, geothermal, biomass, hydrogen, hydroelectric, and nuclear. So you'll choose one of those topics, and then that's when you're going to start your research. Some of the things that need to be involved in your presentation would be some sort of model or prototype, photographs, an illustration or poster of some kind, a description of how your energy source works, its applications and advantages and disadvantages, a description of how your model and prototype work, and then also you're going to research any STEM careers involved. So, part of your presentation, you'll need to answer the 5 following questions. How does this energy source generate electricity? How will this alternative energy source help you reduce pollution, slow climate change, and reduce our dependency on fossil fuels? Is this energy source affected by the sun? If so, how? Is this alternative energy source practical for use in business, home, and schools today? And finally, our last question is, what are some of the drawbacks to using this kind of alternative energy source? Now, this is how you're going to be graded down here. This is your rubric, and there's 10 points possible with 1 extra credit point. Now, this is a 90% type of assignment, so this can really help your grade, or it can really hurt it if you choose not to participate. But I intend for this to be a relatively fun and doable activity, and it should help our grades. So if your presentation has a title, boom, that's a point. If you have a visual example of some kind, a prototype or a model of the energy source, and again, that can be pictures, that can be illustrations, that will work. Each one of those questions I just pointed out is worth 1 point each, so you'll want to be sure to answer the questions in this document and turn it in. Include at least 1 STEM career involved in your energy source. Proper spelling and neatness. And then include at least 5 different cited sources. All images must include a cited source. So if you pull something from a website, some image, you need to source that website. So that adds up to 10 points. However, I'm going to throw in an extra bonus point. And yeah, that's still a 90% bonus point, so it's substantial. And that's extra credit if you create an actual physical model. So let's look at some examples of those physical models. So here's some examples on this slide that's posted with the assignment. That's just a fun GIF there. But we can see we've got stuff. Yeah. So there's a windmill. Here's a model of a solar power plant. Here's another version of solar power. This is more, I would say, the other one was more of an industrial type plant. This one would be something more in a neighborhood type setting. Here's one of a hydroelectric dam power plant. Here's some wind power along with some solar power. Here's an example. This is a computer generated image. But this is I think it is. But this is hydrogen here. Here's one with biomass, and then geothermal and nuclear power. And there's actually a video here that you can watch. Basically, this is just stuff you can find lying around the house, or perhaps lying around the classroom. So let me exit out of here. So again, ideally, I would like everybody to build a physical model. I'm not going to require it for your presentation. You can do a Google slide. Um, you can do, um, like I said, you can do illustrations, pictures instead of an actual model. That is up to you. So the other thing I want to point out here is, you need to have 5 sources. And right up here it says search engines and Wikipedia are not sources. So I'm going to give everybody a source to start off with. And this is our Think Green Energy booklet. It's a PDF. You can open this up, and most likely you can use this for one of your energy sources. However, I'm not 100% sure if, oh yeah, there is a little information about nuclear energy in here as well. Yes, so you should be able to use this for at least one of your sources, this little booklet. Now this project is going to be due uh, June 7th or 8th. So you're going to have 2 entire class periods to work on it, and then one of the class periods you'll be presenting it. If you're a remote learner, you'll probably be doing your presentation via Flipgrid, which is a video recording interface, and you'll be able to record your presentation that way. All right, peeps, I'm going to stop talking and let you guys get to work. If you have any questions on this project, reach out to me. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, be nice.